day. You got something to say. If you're living, if you're breathing, you got something to say. And you know if your heart is beating, you got something to say. And no one can see it like you do.
I'm Alish. You probably already know, but two of my roommates and my other two roommates, we're gonna start a vlog or web show or whatever you want to call it, just about our daily lives and different issues that are about us. For me, I personally I'm thinking I'm going to talk about writing, because I'm a big writer, and probably you're going to hear about some of my stuff I'm writing. I have some ideas going for, let's see, I have a short story that I need to work on. I have my novel, two other stories that have started, which I have nothing, I don't know. And then I have my musical, and then I'm missing something. Oh, then I have my fan fiction, but that one I've been working on forever. And then I have some other poem fan fiction stuff going, which I need to work more on. And then I am an avid reader. I love reading, but I need to find a book club, because that forces me to sit down and read and do more on a certain novel. Because my main novel I'm writing, The Locked Door, is about reading and books, so I really need to read a lot. I have a book list. It's a book journal where you write down book titles. Currently I have, last time I counted, over 100 books on my list, and like 4 authors. I want to say, yeah, 4 authors. So yeah, that's a lot. So I'm going to be talking about books. And maybe I'm gonna see what I can do. I want to get some music stuff going, because music is a big part of my life. And music, you know how they say music defines you? The music I listen to really does define me. Religion and Christianity is really a big part of my life. So I listen to mainly Christian music. And so I'm not gonna, if I do music, I won't put anything out there like, this is God, this is blah blah blah, because we all know how that's going to go on YouTube. And so it will be more stuff that's more applicable. Yeah, I can't pronounce that word, but it'll be more applying to life in general, not specifically that. It might have religious undertones, but it's there. But it's about life. Let's see, some more stuff about me. What else can I say? I don't know what to say.